Oh, that's kind of awkward. I can't tell where my tunic is, so if you take the shield away, it's kind of like bum area right there. It's really short, actually. I'll show you. Ah!
Let's get the upside.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
If you want to know what Link wears under his tunic, let's find out.
Well, it's a combination of potions, and that's probably where he keeps that freaking chicken. And
is that why he hatches into an egg? From the egg?
There you go. That's why we have discovered the secret. Let's see. So there's nothing to do, right? Like,
no.
Oh, there's the two Canadas. Yeah, they were playing.
See Canada. Ooh, tiny little dots.
Like,
ooh.
oh, he's playing with himself. Oh, he was playing. Lol. Yes.
And